And a lot of downward pressure there. The beef cutouts were down over $10 on the choice cuts. We had selects down nearly $14. That was Friday afternoon. And then you had the pork cuts going down as well by over $2 on the carcass values. How long are they going to keep this up before we finally start to see things level off in that regard?
Well, I wouldn't be surprised to see it continue here in the first half of the week. And I think the market's done a pretty good job at pricing in some of that downward movement. And I think overall it's healthy. Getting the cutouts to come back down means that we're starting to move some of the backed up cattle through the system. And I think overall that is what we need to see for this market to see some real signs of stabilization here over the coming months. We've been mostly range bound in live cattle futures for the better part of the last couple of weeks. And we're kind of treading water right at the low end of that recent range, 95 for that August contract. This is a must-hold area for us. We've been optimistic. We remain optimistic, but if we cannot defend the 95 level, I wouldn't be surprised to see some of the funds who've been kind of dipping their toes into the long side here maybe look to reset and clear the position. That could accelerate the selling to the downside. We've seen cash soften up a little bit last week. The futures, still at a discount, but if we continue to see cash soften up this week, that's going to put a big headwind on the futures market here in the very near term.
All right. Well, thank you, Oliver, for talking with us. Always a pleasure. I appreciate it. Oliver Sloup of Blue Line Futures in Chicago talking about our livestock trade here on a Monday.